Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the engine oil and filter in a 2013 Chevy Cruze. Procedures will be similar for most Cruze models from 2011 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. Chock the rear wheels. Then use a jack and jack stands to lift and support the front end. Use a ratchet and 24mm socket to loosen the cap on the oil filter cartridge, which is down in the engine bay behind the battery. Remove the cap the rest of the way by hand and remove the old filter from the cap. Take off the old O-ring and install the new one, making sure it's in the groove closest to the lip of the cap. Use a little fresh oil to lubricate the new O-ring. Install your new oil filter in the cap and thread it back into place. Use a torque wrench to tighten the cap to 18 foot-pounds. Now, under the car, slide a catch basin underneath your oil drain plug and use a 16mm socket and ratchet to loosen the plug. Remove the plug the rest of the way by hand and let the oil drain completely. Removing the oil fill cap in the engine bay can help the oil drain a little more quickly. Remove the old crush washer from your drain plug using a small flathead screwdriver or pick. Once the oil has drained, wipe down the drain plug and the bottom of the oil pan with a shop towel or rag. Install a new crush washer on the drain plug and thread it into place. Torque the drain plug to 124 inch-pounds. Back in the engine bay, if you haven't already, remove the oil fill cap. Add 4 3/4 quarts of 5W30. Since our Cruze has over 75,000 miles, we're using Syntec full synthetic high mileage motor oil. Put the fill cap back in place and run the engine until it's warm. Check under the car for any leaks. If everything looks good, it's safe to shut the engine off and slide the catch basin out from under the car. Lower the front end and remove the wheel chocks. Double check using the dipstick to make sure the oil level is within the appropriate range. Once you've checked the oil level, you can shut the hood. Depending on your specific Cruze model, resetting your oil change indicator light will be one of the following procedures. If your model has an infotainment screen, select Vehicle Status, then Maintenance, then Oil Life, and Reset. Then select Reset again to confirm, and the percentage will change to 100%. If your model has steering wheel controls on the right-hand side, display Remaining Oil Life on the Driver Information Center. Press and hold the Set Clear button or Select button, which could also be a checkmark icon. Holding that button down for a few seconds will clear the Change Engine Oil Soon message and reset the oil life to 100%. If your model has turn signal lever controls, turn the ignition to run on, but leave the engine off. Press the Driver Information Center menu button on the turn signal lever to enter the Vehicle Information menu. Use the thumb wheel to scroll through the menu items until you reach Remaining Oil Life. Press and hold the Set Clear or Checkmark button while the oil life display is active. After a few seconds, the oil life will be reset to 100%. Turn the ignition back to lock off. If your model has none of these features, turn the ignition to run with the engine off. Fully depress and release the gas pedal 3 times in about 5 seconds. Turn the key to off, then start the vehicle. If in any case you start your engine after completing the reset procedure and your oil change indicator has not reset, turn your engine off and repeat the procedure. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop or certified auto repair service center in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.